I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop automatically signing into Google Chrome whenever you sign in to Google services. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Click the vertical ellipses at the top of this screen to open a menu, and then click Settings in this menu. Step 2. Make sure You and Google is selected in the menu on the left side of this screen, and then click Sync and Google Services on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Navigate down to the Other Google Services section and then click to toggle off Allow Chrome Sign In. A window pops up letting you know that if you move forward, you'll be signed out of your Google accounts and that your bookmarks, history, passwords, and other items will no longer be synced. Step 4. Click Turn Off. You'll be signed out of all of the Google accounts that are currently signed into Chrome on this device, and you'll no longer be signed into Chrome whenever you sign into a Google service like Gmail or YouTube. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.